आप सबको मेरा नमस्ते दोस्तों. Welcome to my YouTube channel Cherry on the Top, where I share my creativity. So let's get started.
So this is the area of my house where I want to create a gallery wall. So I have mentioned few points which I want to keep in my mind while doing this gallery wall. So the very first point I'm considering is that I want to mix up different metals, woods or finishes, anything. I want to mix up everything. Second, which I am looking for is symmetrical frames. So I'm not aiming for an uniformity, I am aiming for a symmetry. And the third thing which I want to consider that whichever pieces I'm going to hang, I want these pieces on the same distance. Neither I want it on a very much distance or I want it on a less distance. So I'm considering it to hang it on a similar distance. And the fourth thing is I want to create different dimensions using the different pieces. So I don't want to use the same media. It means that if I'm hanging something with a coat, then I don't want every frame should have coat. So I'm considering to hang some pictures, some geometric designs, some abstract art, some quotes or some normal frames without any picture. So everything should not be an art. So that is what I'm considering for this gallery wall. So in all, I am not going to purchase any of the frame. I'm going to create every frame by myself. So I'm going to create my first frame. So I have this MDF board sheet with me, and I also have this wooden sticks which I ordered online. I will mention the link of both in the description box below. So I'm thinking of using these wood sticks for the frame of this MDF board sheet. So it would altogether look like a frame. So first of all, what I am going to do, I'm going to use this wood stain in walnut color, and I'm going to paint these sticks with that wood stain, so it would actually look like a darker color wood. So I'm just going to show how it is going to look after the paint is done, that wood stain is done. So this is how it is going to look. So I'm going to paint all 4 sticks together and once that's done, I'm going to take that MDF board sheet and I'm going to paint it with a white color, white acrylic color. So I'm going to cover whole wood piece with the same white color and I will allow it to get dry for some time. This is completely dry now. Now I am going to write something on it. So I chose this quote, "It's so good to be home." So I'm going to write that. So first of all, for that I'm going to draw 2 lines. Now I'm taking black acrylic color and I'm going to write this quote, "It's so good to be home." So use a stencil as usual. I always say use a stencil if you're not sure. So now it's so good to be is done. That was a little bit easy, and now I'm moving towards home. I have attached the wood sticks as a frame, and now it is completely ready with a coat and a frame. So our one frame is ready. Now moving towards the next. Now I have again taken MDF board sheet, and I'm going to paint it with this grey color chalkboard paint, and I'm going to cover it. Not completely, I'm just going to leave little bit spots so that it kind of look more natural and weathered. So I am literally least bothered about the middle part. I'm just trying to cover the borders very well because I'm going to paint it like a middle part. I'm going to paint it with a black color. So now I'm going to break this sheet into two pieces. So I'm just measuring the center of it so that I can easily give a cut. So I have divided it into two parts, and our two pieces are ready. So now I'm taking black color, acrylic black color, and I'm going to apply it just in a generous amount. So it would be just like an abstract art. I have these 5 pieces of wood. So these pieces I actually bought for the tea coasters, but I didn't use it for the coaster because I don't want it. So I'm using these pieces now just to make mini frames. I'm going to apply this wood stain with the help of cotton, and I'm going to dip it and just rub it gently. You can do the same with the help of paper towel as well. So once we are done with the application of this wood stain, I'm going to paint on these wood pieces. So on the first wood piece, I'm going to draw a feather with the white color, acrylic white color, and I'm going to draw it. So actually I could write a word like laugh, smile, hello or something like that, but I don't want to do that. So actually what I am thinking of, I'm just considering a mixture of abstract painting, some geometrical art. I just want all of it, and I want a combination of it so that it will look amazing all together as a farmhouse gallery wall with different kind of objects. The next thing I'm going to draw, I'm considering a triangles. So I'm just going to draw small triangles as a part of geometrical art. The third wood piece, I'm going to draw this abstract painting. On the fourth piece, I'm going to draw a tree trunk. So I'm done with 4 pieces. I'm yet to do the 5th one. I'll think on it what I need to draw on that, but right now I'm not going to draw anything on it. Moving towards our next painting, I have taken this canvas, white color canvas, and I am going to draw a deer face on it. I'll just draw a rough sketch. I know this is not much visible in the camera, but I don't want to draw darker lines. If you can see, this is very light drawing, but I did it. And now I'm going to mix these two colors, burnt sienna and black, a tinge of black, and I'm going to make a darker wood color. And I have taken a flat brush and I'm going to just dab it over all the face. So dab it gently and cover the face with the dabbing process only. I did paintings previously. I will show you in my next video which paintings I did in last few months. I did these paintings, the normal coloring process I have applied, but I'm not sure yet. I don't want to use that paintings for this wall, so I chose this technique. A simple color process won't go with this gallery wall. So this technique actually adds a lot of texture and a movement into the piece. So that's why I chose this. Now our dabbing is completed, and I'm just going to cover the borders of this canvas with the brown color, that it would just add more dimension to this frame. So right now I am at the stage of frame making, and rest of the frame making, the placement of it, how I'm going to hang these frames all together or this art and object all together, I'm sharing it all in my next video. Till then, stay tuned, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye, have a nice day.